together is so much fun. Time to enjoy our treats.
Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this microwave set from Minnie Mouse BowTique. This set has lights and sounds. Right here we have the instructions. And this is the beautiful microwave. The microwave door opens and closes. Right here we have a pretzel and a plate. This little plate is not removable. Now let's change the microwave setting. It's on Try Me. We're gonna put it on.
Come on, let's make a treat together. I sure am hungry.
Time to check out the other accessories. Here we have a can of soup, pretend popcorn, crackers, marshmallow, and chocolate. So you can make your very own s'mores. Let's make the popcorn.
Making healthy snacks. Oh, the snacks are ready. Isn't this fun?
Now we're gonna make soup.
Make a treat together. What a wonderful smell. I sure am hungry.
Time to make the s'mores. Cracker, chocolate, marshmallow, and the other cracker.
Together is so much fun. Time to enjoy our treats.
Yum, yum. Time to go shopping.
Hello there, I'm Minnie Mouse. Welcome to my shop. May I help you? Come on, let's add it up. Please scan an item or touch the screen. Wow! La 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 la.
Let's pay with my e-money.
Electronic money. All right then.
I still have a few more items to pay for.
いらっしゃいませ。ミニーのお店へようこそ。計算しましょう。スキャンするか画面にタッチしてね。
Let's scan my strawberry milk. Sweet potato. Toast. Grapes. Fish. And my tomato ketchup. Let's pay.
6点ね。電子マネーね。ありがとうございました。
Now I'm gonna microwave my strawberry milk.
Time to eat.
Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Minnie Mouse BowTique right here on Disney Collector.
Thank you for shopping at my shop.